So this is great, it's the pin mural, and it really helps us tell the story of the voyage. You can see they set off here, they capture this caravel here, which is really important because that's got Nuno de Silva on it, the Portuguese pilot who has the knowledge of some of this coastline. This is the execution of Doughty for mutiny, but I'm actually more interested in what happens at Mocha Isle, because that's where Diego, the African who's been sailing with Drake, gets his 20 arrow wounds in a bit of an altercation with the islanders there, but he manages to survive all the way, where are we, across the Pacific, and actually dies near the Moluccas. And the other terrible thing that happens in the Moluccas is that Maria, who's been captured from a ship over here, 8 months later gets abandoned, heavily pregnant, on Crab Island, with 2 other African men there, so nobody will know if she ever survived that childbirth or lived to tell the tale. And then they